intro video by Romain Virgo. Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week we're on Hope Road right here in Kingston. As usual, for the next half an hour, we're bringing you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Representing the parish of St. Mary, guys, you know that's my parish, right? Is Akira Gowie, the new Miss Jamaica Festival Queen. We were at the Grand Coronation show, so let's check out the highlights.
Towards Ultra do enjoy the show. Cherokee Gowie, propelled by Sheldon's Auto Parts Limited. My fundamental belief is that you must make the choice to take a chance, or your life will never change. So now come sit down, man, and watch your queens ignite the stage with flames of resilience and strength. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Shantae Grant, representing the birthplace of Jamaica's first Prime Minister, Sir Alexander Bustamante, the beautiful parish of Hanover. I live by the river.
On a mission to show the world that John Rock is a jumpstart of bountiful opportunities, I represent the resilient parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew. Out of many, one people. And yes, diversity large, but to honor we are one. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my fellow contestants, great evening. I am Jessica Harty, a humble child of God who boldly represents the heartwarming people of the lush, unspoiled parish of Portsmouth. Me plant weed, me can't win. What a set of wicked and dreadful people. In this cypress, how the left me with nothing. So, me ask you now. Nobody never seen on. Me can't understand. But I bet you it would have stinks the outer road if they did things, man.
Mr. Politician, where your plan? This can't be the end. Cornwall Regional can't pronounce dead. Oh no, fix it. Fix it and fix it quick. Cause that was me plan. Oh no, take me mad. Oh no, no understand.
Me hear one woman just saying them they think they really work. Oh no, listen to me. Me know what me I do. Me have me
you brother than me. And the last straw that Kevin O'Shine out. And don't call the school little boy, the school will call you. Ernest and Lanashon, come here to me. Which one of you in here has tell the people them big this country bamba? Who is practicing from early for turn scammer? Me no know when the woman move come up here from city for you know. Do I have to set up a so up in Troy?
Or as the cultural ambassador for Kingston and St. Andrew, the lasting legacy that I would like to leave is to inculcate in our young ladies that you can achieve anything it is that you put your mind to. Secondly, I would like to put a stop to sexual abuse. As you know, the Women's Health Survey tabled in 2016 shows us that 1 in every 4 women have been abused, and I would like to change that culture and make a difference in my community as we strive to achieve as a nation Vision 2030, making Jamaica the place to live, work, raise family, and do business.
The impact that I would have, given my capacity as a cultural ambassador on our society, is to do everything within my power to motivate our women and to ensure that they can understand that they have everything that it takes to attain their fullest potential. And also for our youth, through my project, I'll do everything in my ability to ensure that it is successful and our children are learned at the best of their abilities.
That's where you should stay. If you gotta give in to the pressure of life, harder to get over when you try to do. Just stay focused, keep your goals in. We don't want those. We don't want those. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, where you?
I'm elated. I feel blessed. I'm overwhelmed with pride. I have been working assiduously for months, and I'm just so happy that I was able to bring home the crown for my parish.
Tell us the journey, the experience. What was the journey to the crown like for you?
The journey has been a phenomenal one. Definitely one that I'll remember to share with my grandchildren years from now. I have learned so much. It has forced me out of my comfort zone, and I have grown immensely. And I'm just proud, and I'm just happy that I have this platform that I can inspire and empower other persons to go after the dreams that they desire.
What was the main reason for you entering the Festival Queen competition?
I believe in the JCDC and preserving and promoting our culture, and whatever opportunity that is presented for me to participate and be a part of an epic team, preserving and promoting our culture, I want to be a part of it. I love my country, I love my parish, St. Mary, and I will do whatever it takes to ensure that we get some recognition and I'm able to do some work for my country.
Tell us a little bit about Akira Gowie. I mean, where in St. Mary you're from, which schools you attended, what did you study?
Okay, so Akira is from Ranch in St. Mary. A lot of people say that it's bush. Akira is actually because when my mother was pregnant with me, she ate a lot of ackee and it gave her diarrhea, and so she named me Akira. So I really, really love my name. As you could guess it, my favorite food is ackee. I went to the Clonmel Primary and Junior High School and later matriculated to the St. Mary High School, and of course studied my Bachelor of Science in International Relations at the University of the West Indies.
After your reign, what do you hope to accomplish? What do you plan to get into?
Well, I'm definitely planning on getting into media, but a lot of the work that I plan on doing is to be done in my community, Ranch, Highgate, in various communities within St. Mary, because I believe that now with this platform I am able to do much greater work than I was doing before with the resources provided and the networking opportunities. I'll be able to help our young people to unearth and develop their talents that God has given them.
Congratulations to Akira Gowie, the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen for 2018. When we get back, it's all about the Talent on the Rise segment and the music video premiere. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out with a shell down cars. Blast like a star with some from a gallopar. Overdo it, you take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own way style. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.